Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoho CRM automation rules for faster follow-up step by step clearly. To activate Zoho CRM automation rules for faster follow-ups, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're in, navigate to the settings icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Automation in the settings menu. Next, select Workflow Rules from the automation options available. To create a new rule, click on the Create Rule button. Choose the module you want the rule to apply to, such as leads, contacts, or deals. Enter a name for your automation rule that clearly identifies its purpose. Then, provide a brief description to outline what this rule will accomplish. Now, specify the criteria that will trigger the rule by selecting the appropriate options. You can choose from various trigger conditions, such as when a record is created or updated. Once you've set the criteria, click on Next to proceed to the action steps. In the Actions section, select Add Action to define what happens when the rule is triggered. Choose Send Email, Update Field, or Create Task, depending on your follow-up needs. For email actions, you will need to compose your email template or select an existing one. Ensure that the email or task template includes relevant information to assist in your follow-up. After adding the necessary actions, you can set conditions for when the action should occur. If needed, you can add multiple actions for a single rule by clicking Add Action again. Review your rule settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once satisfied, click on Save to activate your automation rule. Your rule is now active and will help streamline your follow-up process in Zoho CRM. Feel free to monitor and adjust your rules as required for optimal efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.